Enjoy funny toy!
Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing of mystery toys. Let's do that with me. Let's start with these huge Paw Patrol eggs. Are you curious about what's inside? Ah, come on, open up! Okay, we've got it. Let's see what's inside. OMG, it's candy. Let's try how it tastes. Delicious. Will the second one be the same? Ta-da! Yes, the same candies. Let's eat another one. Yum! What if we magically transform them? Let's try to do this. Watch out. Oh, wow! Is there something inside? Is that Skye? Let's check the second one. Unbelievable, it's Chase. How cool. What will be next? It looks like there's a mini doll inside. Let's see what it looks like. Wow! She's beautiful! Let's take her out! Look at that hair! Let's do something with it! This is so fun! Tickle, 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 tickle. Next one. Let's open it. Wow, amazing! This one is glittery. Brush, brush. Tickle, tickle. Okay, what will be next? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Are these princess eggs? Let's open them and see which princesses are inside. Oh dear, we need to assemble her. Look at her! She has a beautiful pink dress. I can't wait to see the next one. Open, open, open it up. That is so cool! Such a beautiful yellow dress. Now blue! Will there be a blue princess inside? Yes! This one is blue and green. She looks perfect. The last egg is pink too. Let's open it and see if it's the same as the first one. It has a pink dress, but it's different. It looks beautiful. I think this one is my favorite. What can we do with them? I know. Princess dance party. Let's dance. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everybody.